Hey, thank you for watching.
I've just created this short video as a mini introduction into what to expect from this channel, so yeah, enjoy.
I am a junior doctor working full-time in the NHS, but this is my art channel where I also make weekly art tutorials, paintalongs, vlogs, reviews and art hauls. But my friend, there is a difference between cheap paints that are good and things that are just trash and happen to be cheap, right? You want to listen to the bit about the watercolour paints.
Sneak peek to the series of the prettiest cafes in London that I have done so far. To give you a brief overview, you mainly need 4 colours plus white to make skin tones, and you mix them differently according to whether you're painting the darkest area, mid-tones or lightest areas. So, while you're still unbiased, I want you to have a look at these clouds, have a look at these palettes, and let me know which is your favourite, A, B or C. As we all enjoy me peeling off this tape successfully with a perfectly straight line, I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Is that it? This is quite a big spend, but I definitely think it'll be worth it. And look at that.
Then it is over £400. Over £400 worth of things.
A few mood swings later, I figured out how to tackle the store. I'm in love. I actually love this store. I just have no idea where to begin.
Just everything that kind of inspires art in me and that I hope will inspire you to create art, or at least inspire you to relax or be entertained, whatever reason you may have to be turned into this channel, and also anything that I think will be beneficial for those watching or I've been asked in the past. I have an Instagram handle called @Sketches.n.Scrubs where you can kind of see a bit more of the behind the scenes and other artworks that I have done. You'll quickly notice that I love an array of different medias, so you'll see watercolors. Ignore how messy it is, I've had it for over a year. You'll see acrylics, you'll see gouache, you'll see ink, you'll see all of that as I experiment and I try and get better at it. And as I continue to do so, I will take you along with me on the journey and I'll show you the tips, the tricks that I have learned, as well as the mistakes that I have made, so that hopefully you don't do the same. When it came, I should have known this was an issue because it's quite chalky. Recommended by Amazon, so I was like, how bad could it be? Let me use it. I also absolutely love doing hauls. So on here you'll also see some stationery hauls and art supply hauls. I do all this while working full-time as a doctor in the NHS. So you will have to bear with me sometimes. I really want this channel to be fun. On top of that, I really want it to be helpful for you. I'm an open book, so I'm happy to give any advice or answer any questions that you may have. So if you find that there is something that I've used that you'd like to know, or if you have any questions about something that I'm doing, or an art project or art materials, whatever it may be, I want you to feel comfortable enough to message me in the comments and ask that question, or get in touch with me through my Instagram @Sketches.n.Scrubs and say hi and ask a question and, you know, take part in the challenges with me. Feel free to make use of the free guides that I have created, and a special shout out to my MVPs, people who watch the videos to the end and who engage with me and who let me know that I am not talking into an abyss. I am not talking to myself. I'm actually talking to you. I'm talking to someone. I really appreciate you, and it's been so lovely getting to know you and having you answer my questions as well. So I really appreciate you and thank you so much. So that's pretty much it for the intro. I'll do a Q&A video in the future just answering those questions so that you can get to know me a bit better. So feel free to ask the questions, whether they're about me, whether they're about my art, or whether they're about my career as a doctor. I really don't mind. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.